Hello, I am Priya Kulkarni, Government First Grade College, Chikbasur, Karnataka University, BA 6th semester, Indian Economic Development Paper 2, Unit 4, Foreign Trade of India. Today's session is regarding the features of new trade policy 2015 to 20. Let us see the features of new foreign trade policy that was from 2015 to 20. With an aim to make India a significant partner in global trade by 2020, the government unveiled a new foreign trade policy on 1st April 2015. Commerce Minister Nirmala Sitaram said that Prime Minister Narendra Modi's pet projects like Make in India, Digital India will be integrated with the new foreign trade policy. The government is pitching India as a friendly destination for manufacturing and exporting the goods. With this brief background, let us see what are the main features of the new foreign trade policy 2015 to 20. India aims to increase its exports of merchandise and services to approximately 900 billion US dollars by 2019-20 and raise India's share in the world exports from 2% to 3.5%. Foreign Trade Policy 2015 to 20 introduces two new schemes, namely Merchandise Exports from India Scheme MEIS and Service Exports from India Scheme SEIS. The Service Exports from India scheme is for increasing the exports of some of the notified services. These schemes, that is the MEIS and SEIS, replace multiple schemes earlier in place, each with different conditions for eligibility and usage. The incentives of MEIS and SEIS will be available for the SEZ, that is the Special Economic Zones also. E-commerce, exports of handicrafts, handlooms, books, etc. are eligible for the benefits of MEIS scheme. The foreign trade policy would reduce export obligation by 25% and incentives available under MEIS and SEIS would be further extended to the units and the special economic zones to make them more attractive for investors. Agricultural and village industry products will be supported across the globe at rates of 3% and 5% under MEIS scheme. Higher level of support to be provided to process and packaged agricultural and food items under the MEIS scheme. Again, industrial products will be supported in major markets at the rates ranging from 3% to 5%. The business services, hotel, and restaurants to get reward scripts under SEIS and at 3% and other specified services at 5%. Specific measures will be taken to facilitate the entry of new entrepreneurs and manufacturers in the global trade through extensive training programs. Under the new policy, the government will provide incentives to e-commerce companies which are exporting the products from the sectors that create jobs. Duty credit scripts are made freely transferable and usable for the payment of customs duty, excise duty, and service tax. Debts against the scripts would be eligible for sen VAT credit or the drawback also. The nomenclature of export houses such as Star Export House, Trading House, Premier Trading House certificates are now changed to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Star Export Houses. Export obligation under EPCG, that is Export Promotion of Capital Goods Scheme, has been reduced to 75% to promote domestic capital goods manufacturing. Interministerial consultations to be held online for issue of various licenses. Calicut Airport, Kerala, and Ernakulam ICDS, Tamil Nadu are notified as registered ports for the imports and exports. Also, Vishakhapatnam and Bhimavaram added as towns of export excellence. Now, certificate from independent chartered engineer for the redemption of EPCG authorization is no longer required. These are some of the highlights of the Foreign Trade Policy 2015 to 20. Thank you.